In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the engine strut torque mount on your Kia Optima. Located under the vehicle, let's get started. To get access to the mount, if your vehicle has a bottom shield, you will go ahead and remove it. You'll find a series of 10 millimeters in the front and a few around it. Go ahead and take those out. After removing the shields, you want to go ahead and support the engine before we remove the mount. In this case, I'm using a screw jack with a piece of wood to just put some pressure underneath it. And we don't need to lift the engine, we just need to apply some pressure so when we remove it, it doesn't want to swing out. Now that we have the engine supported and that shield out of the way, we're going to use a 17 millimeter socket and remove this bolt. Go ahead and take it out. And now we're going to have two 14 millimeter bolts on each side of this. Go ahead and remove those. Now that we have the bolts out of the way, we're going to go ahead and use a small pry bar and we're going to pry down on this to break it free. So go ahead and do that. After we slide it out from here, you're just going to go ahead and wiggle it side to side as you pull out. And now it's going to slide off. And that's how you remove it. Now we can go ahead and slide this boot off to put on the new one. Now we can go ahead and install the boot that goes on the mount. Go ahead and slide it in. You want this slope to be on the top, and you want this flap to be on the top of the part too. So go ahead and slide it in, and it should look something like this when you're done. We're gonna start by sliding it into the back and lining it up in the front after. So go ahead and do that. Making sure that the boot doesn't come out. Slide it in. And now we can get our bolts started. Now we're gonna start by putting the two bolts that go in the back. They're two 14 millimeters. Go ahead and start it by hand. Go ahead and get them snug. And now we can go ahead and install this bolt. You might need to tap it underneath with a hammer. So go ahead and do that. Line up the hole and install the bolt. And now we can go ahead and get it snug. Now we can go ahead and torque the two 14 millimeter bolts to 47 foot-pounds. And now we can torque the 17 millimeter bolt to 80 foot-pounds. Go ahead and remove the screw jack. And if your vehicle had a shield, go ahead and install it the same way that it came out. That'll be job done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.